I use multiple AI tools every day and I have hundreds of tabs open all the time. And it's a hassle to sign in every time. And I was searching for that one tool to have it all. To all the master of AI trade. If you relate with this problem, Po is the answer. Hey there, AI enthusiast. I am Kishan, your friendly neighbor AI tool tester. Do you ever feel like you are drowning in a sea of browser tabs, juggling more passwords than a secret agent? Well, I have found you a savior and it's called Po. On Po, you can access ChatGPT for creative tasks, ChatGPT 4 for more complex queries, and even generate images with Flux 1.1 Pro and Ideogram. Po is a platform that lets you access and switch between the world's most popular AI models seamlessly on a single platform, one subscription, which is super cost effective, and more on that later. Here's how you can sign up and use it on the go. You have to go to po.com, their own website, sign in with anything. You can even sign it with Google or your Apple account, or just type the email address and you're ready to go. That's it. Just press go. You will get the code on your email address. Enter the code, hit the button, and you're all set for the Po platform. This will be your home page for the Po. After signing up, this is the home page of Po. You can see various buttons like explore, create bot, even your previous chats on this window. If you scroll down, you can access your custom created bots, which I will tell you how to create in the further part of video. Not only that, even you can see the creators tab, profile, setting. Now I will let you know how you can chat with different LLMs on a single chat. For that, you have to go to explore button. Then you will see numerous of LLMs. For example, I am using Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Here's the window. You have to prompt it to it, or you can even add a file of any attachment like image and PDFs. But for this example, we are using just a simple prompt. It's like, give me a meal plan for 35 grams of protein per day, and then Claude gives me about the breakfast, lunch, dinner, and all over the protein supplements I can get from this diet. What if I want to compare it with other models like O1 Mini, ChatGPT 4, ChatGPT 4o Mini? For that, press the add button, then write ChatGPT 4o latest. Click that and hit enter. Now what it does, that it gives the same prompt of that meal now to ChatGPT 4o latest model, and that gives us the new query. We just compared the two LLMs in a single chat. We can also ask it to the Mistral models like Mistral Medium. Just tag the model and press enter. Yes, and we got our new meal again. So that's how easy it is to compare the models in a single chat. But that's not it. Po also offers bot creation. This means that you can easily create custom assistant on Po. If you're a content creator, you can create a bot to write a script research for you. I will show you how I created my own script research bot. Let's walk through the process. For bot creation, you have to come to this button, create bot. Click on that. Now you can choose what type of bot you want to create. Like we are creating the prompt bot. Click on that. The upper button shows which type of bot we want to create, which shows the prompt bot. Then we can name it as RESCH bot, which is Rush bot. Now choose the base model. It offers various base model which we can use for our bot, like Oro Mini, Sonnet. So for this example, I am using the Claude 3.5 Sonnet one. After that, we have to give a prompt. I am using this prompt. This prompt basically consists of role and purpose of the bot, what input I am giving to it, and what output it should give it to me after that. And for the more details of the prompt, if you want to know the full prompt, then check the description below. After that, entering the prompt, you can even add knowledge base like your PDFs and all that thing. You can also add the greeting message like, hi, this is your research bot. You can also add the bio, which I am leaving for now. Click on the create bot, continue without editing, and boom, we have our own custom bot ready in a few minutes. And now it's time to test our custom bot. For that, I'm gonna pick one article of recent AI news, and here is the news which are going to test our bot. Copy the link of the article, then paste it to the bot. Hit enter. It just scrolls the website and gives the information which we need and which we wanted. We have stated in the prompt. It gave us the in-depth research report of that news, which shows the header, headline, introduction, the problem, even the personal impact of that news, economic impact, social impact, all the things we needed. You see how easy it was? Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but it must be expensive, right? Here's where Po really shines. If you were to subscribe to each of these AI models separately, you would be looking at over $130 per month. But Po offers access to all of these models, plus the ability to create custom bot for just $20 per month. That's a saving of over 80%. It's like getting a buffet of AI capabilities for the price of single dish. Po gives you access to the right AI tool for the right task, allows you to create custom AI assistants, and does it all at a fraction of the cost. That's it for this video. If you loved this tutorial, click the subscribe button and tell us in the comment which AI tool you want us to review next. This is Kishan signing off.